Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete your website in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in simple in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, just go here to Wix Site Editor and you want to click on Sites. And here you're gonna see Site Actions, and you can simply click here Move to Trash. So you want to move to trash. Once you move to trash, your site becomes unpublished and can be edited. Move to trash. And voila. And then we get like trash here, and I can simply restore the site. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.